Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting that's changing the game for engineers and folks in the oil and gas industry. We're talking about AI tools that can seriously boost your productivity, accuracy, and even safety on the job. If you're in one of these fields, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's start with a big one for engineers: generative design software. Imagine you need to design a part, say, a bracket for a new machine. Instead of modeling it from scratch, you just input your requirements like material, weight limits, and connection points. The AI then generates hundreds, sometimes thousands, of design options for you to choose from. It explores possibilities a human might never even think of, creating lighter, stronger, and more efficient parts. Tools like Autodesk's Fusion 360 are leading the charge here, and it's completely revolutionizing the design process. Now, for my friends in oil and gas, AI is a total game changer, especially when it comes to exploration and production. Think about seismic data interpretation. Traditionally, this takes a massive amount of time and expert analysis. But now, AI algorithms can sift through petabytes of geological data in a fraction of the time. They can identify patterns that suggest where new reserves might be located with incredible precision. This not only speeds up exploration, but also significantly reduces the financial risks involved. Companies like Schlumberger are heavily investing in AI platforms like Delphi to make this a reality. Another huge area is predictive maintenance. In both engineering and oil and gas, equipment failure can be catastrophic and incredibly expensive. AI-powered sensors can monitor machinery like pumps, turbines, or drilling equipment in real time. The AI learns the normal operating patterns and can predict when a part is likely to fail, long before it actually breaks down. This allows teams to schedule maintenance proactively, avoiding costly unplanned downtime and improving safety for everyone on site. It's like having a crystal ball for your machinery. So, whether you're designing the next breakthrough product or searching for energy resources deep underground, AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's a powerful toolkit that can make your job easier, safer, and more effective. If you're not already exploring these tools, now is the perfect time to start. That's all for today. I hope you found this useful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on the future of tech and industry. Let me know in the comments what AI tools you're using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.